Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today. Yes, the first Friday of the month. In this case, January. Yeah, the first Friday of the month, January. In today's newspaper on Friday, January the 3rd, 2025, we have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku. We have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not now. Now I will do the speed test with these 3 regular puzzles. First puzzle we'll do is the 3 stars Sudoku, and this one will be number 9, 8, 3, 4. 9, 8, 3, 4. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. 26. Well, the publisher has indicated with the 3 stars. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This should be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Well, it's a speed test without comments, without instructions. So that will be faster. So let's get started. 7. Come on. 7. 7. Need a 7 here. Okay, we have all the 7. Nope. Here, need a 7. 1. Need a 4 here. Need a 6. 1. Need a 1 there. Need a 1 here. 1. Okay. Interesting. Need an 8 here. 3. So no 3 here. This should be the 3. 6. Yes. Need a 6 here. 3. Need a 3 here. 3, 5, 5. 3, 9, 2. About here, 6 and 8. 8. Need 6 there. Here can be 6. So the 6 should be here then. No 6. Need a 6 there. 4. Need a 4 here. 4. Need a 4 here. 4. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. 2. Need a 3 and then 9. 3, 9 and 3, 9 and 6. 6. Need a 2, 6 and 5. Nope. 2, 6 and 8. 8 here. 8. Need a 8 here. 8, 8, need an 8 there. Come on. How about here, the 9 and the 3. 9, 3 and the 6. Come on, come on, come on. No 3 here. 3. 3. 8, 4, 3 and a 9. 3, 3, 3. 5. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 here. 3, 5. Okay. 3, 5. Need a 3 here. 3, 3, 3, 3. 3, 3, 3, 3, 9, 3. This should be the 3. This should be 1, 2, 3. Need a 3 here. This should be the 9. Need a 9 here. 1 box left for the 5. 9 and the 2. Need a 5 here. 5, 2, 9. 6 and then 9. This should be the 2. Come on, come on. 3, 3, 3, 4. Need a 4 here. 1, 2. Come on. No 5 in. So the 5 should be here. Together with the 8. So 3 numbers left. The 4, the 2, and the 9. 4, 2, 9. No 9 here. No 9 here. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 here. 2, 4. And here, need a 4 here. 9, 9. Need a 9 there. 5, 8. Come on. 3, 4, 4, 4. 8, 3, 8. Should be here. 5 should be there. 5, 5, 5. 8, 8, 8. 4, 4, 4. 2, 9, 3. Yeah, okay. 2, 9, and 8. I need an 8 here. 9, 9, 2, 2, and then 5. Completed. 8 minutes minus maybe 2 minutes. 6 minutes. I didn't look for the start. The time of the start. Yes, the start. Anyway, we solve it again. 6 minutes. Alright. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Also with a speed test. Until then, bye bye for now.